You have to try these noodles. Let's switch.
Oh, it's way better than mine.
Agreed. Now give me mine back.
No chance.
Give me those noodles.
Nope.
Give me those noodles.
Nope.
Okay. Fine. Consider that my rent for the week.
You're grossly out of touch with the New York City housing market. You can stay here as long as you want. On one condition. Could you not squeeze the toothpaste from the middle?
Okay, don't worry. I won't stay here and ruin your precious toothpaste forever. Once we get Dominic and stop whatever Madeline's planning, I'll finally get my life back.
Deal. Well, we also have to talk about your snoring.
My snoring.
Yep, we got
Your snoring.
I don't snore.
You 1,000% snore. Morning.